I am going to stop baking. I'm going to stop baking. Yes, I'm going to stop baking, but it's only temporary, maybe for about a week or two. Hello, Moncescans, mga anak. I hope everyone is in better shape than I am. You may be wondering why I said I have stopped baking. This is the reason why I can't bake right now. I figured in a small kitchen accident last night. I spilled hot oil all over my hand yesterday while I was cooking. It was my fault. I got distracted and it just happened. If you didn't know, that's the first aid treatment for getting a burn like mine. I put my hand under cold running water, but not ice cold, just cold running water for about 15 minutes, and it helped reduce the pain. Eventually, I did have a virtual consultation with a doctor. He prescribed some medication, and my hand is now slathered in that. We have to put it on real thick. And I just put some gauze to help prevent any infection from happening. So I'm incapacitated. I can't use my right hand. Have you ever experienced a kitchen accident? Put your comments down below. Maybe we can share experiences and help prevent this from happening to any of us. So my advice, especially when you're frying food, be careful, stay focused, and keep safe. My hand was really hurting last night. The pain I felt was like a very bad sunburn times 10. I'm so happy that the medication helped and I was able to sleep. And now I'm going to continue with the medication. So hopefully my hand will heal sooner than later. So no baking for me and I'm so sad. But this is only temporary. I will go back to baking after my hand heals. Bye for now, and see you when I'm back to baking.